Maple TA End of Semester Summary Assignment Question number 11. Larry has worked hard over the summer and has saved up $3,294.25 to live on during the next 2 semesters of school. Larry will receive a scholarship each semester for $979.75. If he plans to use up all of his savings while at school, how much money can Larry spend each month on average for things like groceries, entertainment, and miscellaneous items? Assume 2 semesters equals 8 months total. Also assume Larry has no other expenses than what he has listed here. Scholarship for each semester is $979.75 as discussed earlier, and that's for both semesters. Tuition and books cost per semester $2,100, and housing cost for a 2-semester contract is $1,100. So we need to start looking at what he has and what he needs to pay. So I just threw down some numbers over here, a rough estimate of everything. So he has saved this much. That's for both semesters. This scholarship is for each semester, and since we're looking at everything in a total of both semesters, let's go ahead and multiply this by 2 so that we know how much he has total for both semesters. So this is for both. We're looking for how much he can spend each month. And we know that a semester, they told us, is going to be at the end 8 months for both. And tuition and books, this is per semester, so we also need to multiply this by 2. So I'm going to insert a row here so I can have it underneath just like this one. And let's go ahead and find out what the total is here for both semesters. And the housing, it tells me, is for a 2-year contract, so this one I don't need to multiply by 2. And I just need to add everything up and then subtract what we have left over and divide it by 8. So his income here, and down here we have expenses. And so our income, we'll do that later. Our income here will be the addition of what he has saved and the scholarship that he's going to get over both semesters. So this is his total income. With the expenses, we have tuition for both semesters here and housing here. So let's find his total, which will be both semesters of tuition and books and housing for both semesters. So this is our total for the expenses. All right, and then we need to subtract and see how much we have maybe left over. So we have cash flow and divide that by 8. So we are going to take his income, how much we have, equals how much he has saved up and will be receiving, and subtract how much he owes for both semesters. Oh, so he's in the hole a little bit. So we're going to take this number and divide it by the 8 months for both semesters, and that shows me that every month he's going to fall short a little more than $5, $5.78. So let's come over here. The average amount that he can spend is negative, so we hope he earns a little bit while he's at school.